Budapest, the capital of Hungary, is a vibrant and charming destination that attracts millions of tourists every year. Known for its stunning architecture, rich history, and vibrant culture, Budapest offers a unique combination of old-world charm and modernity. Whether you're planning a trip to Budapest or just looking for inspiration for your next trip through stunning visuals, exploring Budapest from a drone will provide a breathtaking perspective that captures the essence of this enchanting city. The landscapes of Budapest from above are truly breathtaking. The city boasts an impressive panorama, dotted with iconic landmarks such as the Hungarian Parliament Building, Buda Castle and St. Stephen's Basilica. The Danube River divides the city into two parts, Buda and Pest, each of which has its own unique charm. In recent years, Budapest has become a popular tourist destination due to its variety of attractions and entertainment. Visitors can visit numerous museums, art galleries, and historical sites to immerse themselves in Hungary's rich cultural heritage. For those interested in history and culture, Budapest offers numerous museums and galleries showcasing Hungarian art and artifacts. The Hungarian National Museum and the Museum of Fine Arts are must-see places for history buffs. In recent years, Budapest has gained recognition as a thriving gastronomic hub with its diverse culinary scene. From traditional Hungarian dishes such as goulash to international dishes served in trendy restaurants, food lovers will be spoiled for choice. Whether you're exploring historical sites or enjoying local delicacies, Budapest promises an unforgettable travel experience. It's no wonder that so many travelers rave about this wonderful city, thanks to its welcoming atmosphere and friendly locals.